Hello, students. Good morning, everybody. In part 3, we have seen the interaction between the bus conductor and the writer. And it also mentions that how they greet and respect each other. Now, in this paragraph, the writer says that it's an general agreement regarding war that has a chilling effect upon those little everyday civilities of behavior. He further states that social civilities can make life kind and tolerable to each other. We have to treat the impolite person with elaborate politeness. We cannot get civilities back by invoking the law. Police and law are necessary in society, but they are not useful everywhere. If your peace of mind is disturbed by impoliteness, law cannot help you. Physical violence will not help us to restore the civilities. Here, lower than the angels means not perfect. Law is a very necessary factor for any society. It may be in written form or spoken form. Some societies have no written language, yet they have their own laws, their own customs and traditions. No society is perfect. So, law is an inseparable part of any society. Law brings peace and non violence. It gives us some rights and expect some duties. It is must for welfare state. It will help to run the society on smooth track. The writer further states that the way in which the liftman has taken the revenge of physical attack before that our decency would have not last long. I would have suggested the liftman that in order to make more effective revenge, he would have given answer to the passenger in a polite manner. He would he would have had the victory not only over the rude person but over himself. And the victory counts more. Polite persons may not get material advantage, but always have spiritual victory. The writer here comes up with the Chesterfield, a British writer, story telling that during his time in London, there were no footpath along the roadside, and the person who walks on the tall wall, his feet remains dry. One day, walking on the ball, that is tall wall, Chesterfield meets a person, and the person saying, I never give the way or wall to a scoundrel. Chesterfield replies, stepping with a bow in a polite manner, that I give the way every time. The writer feels that the liftman will agree that his revenge was much more sweet than if he had flung the fellow into the mud. Thus, we have come to an end of the lesson in part 4, which tells us about the importance of law, politeness, good manners, and behavior in life. By the example of a well known writer, Chesterfield, we have acquired what is required in life. Thank you very much.